raging storms to crazy eruptions, Mother Nature has a way of reminding us who's really in charge. In this video, we're counting down 100 times nature unleashed its fury, all caught on camera. When hail turns into nature's wrecking ball, watch as these ice chunks take out windshields like it's nothing. A pleasant rainy day, everything's calm. Then, without warning, a landslide engulfed parked cars like toys. A terrifying storm, more like an apocalypse. Everything in its path is swept away as if nature itself is hitting her set. The flood was so strong that it washed away the cars of the whole neighborhood. Hailed so much, the green grass isn't green anymore. It's a winter wonderland in the middle of summer. Just another day at work until nature decided to spice things up with a lightning bolt hitting way too close. One moment, everything was stable. The next, ground trembled vigorously under the feet. Heavy rain and unstable mountain, a bad combo, especially when there's a home built on it. Here's what a world turned into devastation looks like. When Mother Nature gets angry, she doesn't hold back and erupts as a volcano. The calmness of the moment was disrupted by a violent shake of the earth, reminding us who's the in charge. Here's your reminder to never try to defeat Mother Nature when she's angry. She always wins. A lightning strike hits a tree, it rolls under the car, and somehow it only leaves scratches. Talk about a close call. Trapped in your car as giant hailstones come crashing down, shattering the windshield. Despair has never looked so close. It looks like the apocalypse. Watch as a land-sliding mountain melts away like a block of ice, swept clean off the earth. Shooting near water goes wrong as a massive wave rushes in, but luckily the man saves the day. A vacation turned nightmare as a massive glacier cracked, shaking the boat and hurling ice debris at tourists. The city sleeps, unaware that nature's alarm is about to jolt them awake with a terrifying shake. Time for nature's cleansing. Coastal cottages swept away as the water came rushing in with unstoppable force. The ferocious wind wouldn't let the hotel doors close, sending everything inside soaring through the air. The floodwaters rose so high, even the strongest houses couldn't stand, crumbling and getting washed away. The slow hail was just the warning. Moments later, a ferocious tornado roars by, passing just inches from the home. Already struck turbine gets hit by lightning again. Guess nature wasn't a fan of how it was working. Looks like a shot from a fictional movie, right? Nope, that's real terrifying volcanic lightning. Hailstorm so fierce, it's like rocks falling from the sky, smashing everything in its path. Rivers flow so fierce that it washed an entire bridge away. When you plan to enjoy snow skating, but nature has other plans, and send an avalanche your way. Monsoon flourishes agriculture, but sometimes brings destruction with it. Floods don't just bring water, they sweep up everything in their path, turning the world into a raging torrent. Hot, unstable air stirs the sky, giving birth to a terrifying fire tornado, nature's fury unleashed in flames. That's a wrap on today's Mother Nature meltdown. Which storm or disaster had you holding your breath? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more jaw-dropping clips. Stay safe, and see you next time.